I will show you how to use this Zumba Event Registration System. This is free. I will attach on the description for this video so that you can use it freely. But before that, before we will open this database, I want to show you the settings before you open to avoid any error. Okay, now I will close this database. First, go to blank Microsoft Access database, then go to open others here, then option, then trust center, then trust center settings here, then trusted location. So make sure that you will assign wherein your database reside. Example, you will put your database in the desktop. You should assign as desktop is your trusted location, or if you put your database also in drive D, you can assign also with drive D as your trusted location. So this is the one. I will delete this one. I will remove just to show you how to make. I will remove also this one. So here, this is the default. Now we will assign my desktop as our trusted location. Just select this one, then add location, add new location, then browse, then select desktop, then OK, and check this one. OK. You should also check here macro settings. You should enable and hit OK. So now we have already set our trusted location. So now we'll try this database and I will show you how to use. So this is the Zumba Event Registration System. So registered guest info, this one, the purpose of this one, example, your event is scheduled for next week, so you need to put your guest here. Example, you distribute the tickets, so you will enter here. Just type example ticket 100, then name is Ray Corvera. Here meal, category 0 meal, and I will type 053701 so this one, and look, this one, there is this asterisk, meaning this is necessary. So we'll put my email. So if you have dependent, you can put, because the dependent is, example is you have a minor, so you can put, let's say, true, then save, then close. So now we have here invited guest. So let's say event is coming, so let's say today. So if we have new visitor, meaning walk-in, so no need to enter here, so you should process here, add new visitor here. If he will or they will decide to go inside the event, however, if still need to roaming or they will not yet enter in the venue, so you will put also entries here. Just click the vacant, then type 100. So this number, it depends upon your ticket number. So let's say Juan de la Cruz here. See Bachelor family, see 0531, and email also. Let's say I will use my email again, then save. So now we have 2 registered guests. So let's say event is almost started, so they will decide to go inside in the event area. So now we will process based on the ticket number. Example, Ray Corvera coming. So if this one is, we have too much list here, so just type here 100, or let's say Ray, name Ray also, but the default is ticket number. So let's say Mr. Rick Corvera will get inside the event venue. So now we will process their login. Just click this one, process log here, then type the ticket number and hit enter, then retype again to confirm and OK. Hit OK. Look, press enter to continue and F5 to update log. Enter, then F5 to refresh. So now we have a 1 login guest. So let's say there is a walk-in visitor, just add this one. Click add, then let's say his number is 123. His name is Dave. Let's say Dave Rosen. Then male, family, 05, then email, David, then this one is optional. You will type 0 or 2 or 1. Let's say 1. Then select save, then hit OK. Then press F5. Look, why I use this one, process log also, because this visitor add new visitor. This visitor is walk-in, so no need to register because he is a walk-in visitor or guest. So let's say this Juan de la Cruz arrive and he want to get inside. Again, just click this one, process log, and type 102 ticket number, enter, then again 102 and hit enter, then press F5. So now we have guest total login is 3. So no need to count the ticket, how many participants you have or guest. So now here walk-in guest, here or login guest, all of these 3 guests already here login, including walk-in here also. So whatever registered here that coming, so you should process log in order to put or add in this list. So now we will check this ticket count here. You can see also here login visitor and total invited visitor, meaning this total invited visitor you can see here. If they are registered, you will see this one, how many visitors still not yet arrived and how many visitors also log in here. So we'll check this report. This is our report, login guest information. So this is the one here, all of the list here. Again, we'll click this report. If you click this one, login guest information, you can see the list. Now you can print here, and also if you can view by category, just type example male here and hit OK, and now you can see also here. Then for the invited guest here, it's showing 0 because all are logged here. However, if still other invited guests not yet arrived, so you can see their names or list here. So this database, the purpose of this database is just to track or the record purposes for the event guest or participant. Thank you and get